Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. We are on a roll here. I am so proud of myself. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and as you can see, this mama had time today. She got ready, she got dressed, she did her hair, she did her makeup. And it feels good. I'm not gonna lie, it feels so good to put myself together. And I got a little lazy, didn't want to put on some lashes. That's okay. I still look put together even though I feel bald without lashes, but it's okay. It's okay. I did a lot more today than all the other days, so maybe tomorrow I'll throw on them lashes. And I'm sure you guys were a little bit tired of seeing me look like a freaking bum this past week. It only took me almost a week to get it together. But anyways, we are here, we are up, we are ready. He already had breakfast. We've got a long day ahead of us. He is about to have physical therapy today at 12:30, which is kind of, I'm scared. I feel like it's going to be such a bad time today because he has not napped yet, and I cannot put him down so close to when his therapy is going to start because it's just going to be, it's probably going to be worse if I try to wake him up. So he's fine. He's not really getting all that fussy right now, but the fact that afterwards we have to leave pretty much right away to go to his ear doctor appointments and then his shots afterwards. So super long day, so I feel so bad. And it's not like we live far from the doctor's office, so it's not even like he can take a 30-minute nap on the drive there. It's literally like 10-15 minutes away from us. But anyways, we do have to go and do that today. We're going to get his ears checked because we've just been a little concerned about making sure that he is hearing everything, because he does tug and pull and scratch at his ears quite frequently, more than I'm a little comfortable with. And so we just want to make sure everything is okay. So that is what we're going to do today. The only thing that really sucks is it had to freaking rain today. Out of all the days that I need to actually leave the house, it's freaking raining. And it's not like I can just be like, okay, so we'll just have a day in. No, like I actually have to leave the house. Like we have so much to do today, and it just sucks. Couldn't have rained the other days that I was just being lazy at home. No, had to be today. But it is what it is. Mom's still got to do what a mom's got to do, and we got to go take care of these things. So that is what we're going to do. And you guys are going to come along with us. So we will see you guys when his therapy starts. Alright, so we just got done with his physical therapy, and he actually did a lot better than I expected for not having a nap before it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get him dressed because we do have to take off. My mom is on her way. She did want to come with us. Plus, yeah, Grandma's coming. And then we're probably going to go eat with her afterwards. we're gonna head out. Yeah. Yeah. I know, and I'm sorry. I feel so bad that you're not gonna get a nap. I'm sorry, Papa. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. All right, let's go get your dress, and let's go. And we'll see them at your appointment. Is that good? Yummy, yummy. Can you see yourself? Uh-huh. Can you see yourself? Can you see? Is that you right there? Where's Dad? Is that the gorgeous hunter? Oh.
How is he when you take him to the doctors? Is he pretty accommodating or cooperative, or does he like get upset and
it kind of just really depends on how he's feeling. I don't know how well he'll do today simply because he hasn't really napped today.
Oh, he's gonna be cranky.
I think he's gonna be a little cranky.
Hopefully not.
Yeah.
Okay, come on over this way. Take a quick measurement of the ear.
Show him the camera so he'll think he's gonna have a picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beep 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 beep. Good job. Beep beep. Good job.
Low. Let me try one more time. Yeah. There's movement in there. Yeah. Okay. See, he's actually pretty good. He let me do it.
Yeah.
Let me do this, okay?
He likes the camera, so he thinks he's
Yeah.
being
Okay, so
videotaped. So that might distract him a
He's
little
a big
bit.
ham then.
Yeah,
Yes, he is.
All right, we're going to try this then. I'm going to put the little tip in his ear, and this is going to be, we'll go ahead and try OAEs, okay?
Boo.
Look over here, Papa.
Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put this little tip in his ear.
Okay.
And this one does need to be in his ear probably like maybe 30 seconds.
Okay.
I'll hold his hand.
And then, yeah, just hold his hand because usually
He'll
first
pull it
thing I
out.
want to do is pull it out. Okay. All right.
Yeah, Papa. Look over here. Look.
So, yeah, maybe
Oh,
get him. We'll
you gotta do the other
we'll
one
do the right ear first.
Look over here.
Look at
Papa.
the
Look.
mama.
Look at yourself.
Papa, look at the mom.
Look.
Uno, dos,
It's
tres.
okay.
Uno, dos, tres.
okay,
You'll be
Papa.
fine. You'll be fine. Nothing's gonna happen. Uno, dos, tres. Uno, dos, tres.
Good job, my love. I know, Papa. I know. It's okay. It's okay, Papacito. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Good job. Good job, Papa.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Yay.
Good job. We did it. You did it, my love.
Oh, she did it too.
Se desenreda el pelo con peine de marfil y aunque se dé tirones no llora ni hace así. ¡Ay! Pim pom toma su sopa y no ensucia el delantal.
Good job,
You did it?
Papa.
You passed. Okay, so thank you. Wow.
Oh, Mom, not done.
Oh, we're not done?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna. So for this one, this is a small room. I'm gonna ask one of you to be in here, so it doesn't matter.
Do you want me to be in or do you want to be in? Okay, I already have. Liquidan los maderos de esta.
Pop, 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 pop.
Well, no, when I
not hearing
repeated it
okay?
the second time, the first time it was probably just because, you know, he maybe moved or because I didn't have it deep enough, you know, but when I ran it the second time, it was better.
It was normal?
Yeah, it was
Or is-
normal.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because sometimes they'll, you know, they'll be moved and I'm trying to get it, or if they cry and they move their mouth, like they open their mouth wide.
okay.
and
It'll-
then
It
I
pushes
can't
it
get
out, yeah.
What I need to get.
Mommy's so proud of you. You did such a good job. I know. I know that was hard. I know. But everything's good. Your ears are perfect. They're working fine. I'm so sorry. You gotta get your shots. Hunter. I'm so sorry. Hunter. It's your papa. It's your papa. It's your papa. Why is he resting his...
She has a bone.
He's resting his... So then it would be 5.
So then it'd be 5.
Do you want to do like 3 and then do another 2? That's a lot.
How late can he get them done?
I think it's going to be, what, 30 days? So the next time you can have some more. It'll be okay. I mean...
To
he's
wait?
The ones we'll do today are the ones he hasn't had at all.
Okay.
You can do those.
Okay.
And then he'll come back as 2 more that he'll need, but they're boosters.
Okay,
He's
for...
already had those. And we can do it like that if you want to do it like
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
So how many is he getting today? 3?
3.
3. Okay, good.
I am so sorry, Papa. I am so sorry.
I am too, I'm sorry. These are the ones we'll give.
Okay.
And this one is not, this was combined, but we don't give it combined at his age.
Okay. So that's why it's that many.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
So we'll do the thighs.
Okay. It's okay, Papa. You're okay. You did such a good job. Such a good job. You're such a good boy.
Ojitos, Hunter. Ojitos. Ay, qué bonitos ojitos. Otra vez, ojitos. Ay, qué bonitos ojitos. Otra vez, ojitos. Ojitos. Amen. Ojitos. Ojitos. Hunter. Ay, qué bonitos. Otra vez. Ojitos. Hunter. Oh, like this, mira. Hunter. Look at me, Papa. Ojitos. 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 Ay, qué bonitos ojitos. Ojitos. Ojitos, qué bonitos ojitos. Ojitos. Ahora tú. Ojitos. Ay, qué bonitos ojitos.
Yummy, Papa.
Avocado. Did you like? Oh, I gave him onion. It had onion.
So?
You didn't want onion. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna give you. Let me see.
That looks like it's steaming.
It's good.
Oh my god. We are finally back home. Let me see what time it is. It's probably like 5. 4:51. So it's 5 o'clock and we're just barely getting home. I just put him down in his crib for a nap. I know it is super late for him to be taking a nap, but he has not taken one all day just because our day has been so busy and he's tired. He's over it. And then plus with the shots, he needed one. So I know he's gonna wake up in a couple of hours and it's really close to his actual bedtime, so I know he's gonna be going to bed late tonight, and it's fine. Like I said, he needs that nap. He had a lot going on today, so that's just what we're gonna do. But as you guys saw, he had his physical therapy. Then we went to his appointment for his ears. Everything is okay. So they checked his ears. Everything is fine. He hears just fine. So that's really good news. We are very happy about that. She did say that if later on there are still some more concerns, We can definitely go ahead and get it checked again, but as of right now, he is good. So that is definitely like a weight off my shoulders, because I mean, I just want to make sure he can hear properly. And if not, that's okay. At least we can go ahead and take the appropriate steps that we need to, should that be the case. And then he needed his shots, because when I did take him for his 1 year checkup, unfortunately he was sick, so we did not do his shots. So we did them today, and 5 shots is so many, so I decided to just go ahead and split them up. So he did 3 today, and we've got to go back in 2 weeks to get his other 2, his last 2 shots. And the nurse said that that's perfectly fine, it's not too late. So I'm glad that that was okay, because if not, then he would have had to have all 5 of them, and I just feel so bad. But he is such a trooper. He bounced back fairly quickly after he got the shots, and yeah. So super busy day. I am exhausted. I know he's exhausted, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this time to just relax, get some editing done, and just wait for him to wake up, because I know it's gonna happen. But that is going to be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, before you guys leave, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn your post notifications on, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.